A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Ali is intelligent. The noun in this sentence is Ali. It's the name of a person. I live in London. The noun in this sentence is London. This is the name of a place. My car is red. The noun in this sentence is car. It's the name of a thing. Respect is important. The noun in this sentence is respect. It's the name of an idea. Now I will go through the common nouns in English. Actor, adult, afternoon, airplane, airport, ambulance, animal, area, arm, art, aunt, baby, back, battery, bed, beef, behavior, bicycle, body, book, boy, bread, breakfast, bridge, brother, brother-in-law, bus, business, camera, car, card, carpet, case, cash, cat, ceiling, child, chocolate, clock, clothes, coat, coffee, college, company, computer, confusion, country, cousin, dad, danger, daughter, day, desire, desk, dinner, doctor, dog, dream, dress, emergency, employee, employer, equipment, evening, evidence, eye, fact, fame, family, ferry, film, finger, fish, food, foot, forest, freedom, friend, fruit, furniture, garage, garden, girl, glass, gold, government, grandfather, grandmother, grass, ground, group, hand, happiness, hate, head, health, helicopter, history, holiday, home, house, husband, issue, jacket, jealousy, jewelry, job, juice, justice, kitchen, lamb, laptop, laughter, leg, library, life, loneliness, lot, love, lunch, machine, man, meat, member, milk, minute, money, month, morning, mother, motorcycle, mum, music, name, notebook, number, nurse, oil, oxygen, parents, pot, pencil, people, perfume, personal, phone, place, problem, program, question, relaxation, restaurant, right, road, room, research, salad, school, shampoo, shirt, shoe, shorts, silver, sister, sister-in-law, son, state, stomach, story, student, study, sun, system, tea, teacher, television, thing, time, toe, toothbrush, train, transportation, travel, trousers, uncle, understanding, van, vegetable, water, way, weather, week, wife, window, woman, word, work, world, year, yesterday,